Okay, good day everyone. Our topic for today is subtraction of polynomials under the subject algebra. So in subtraction of polynomials, we can only subtract one group of polynomials from another group of polynomials. So unlike in addition of polynomials, we can add as many group of polynomials as possible. But and also another one, we can also subtract one group of polynomials from another group of polynomials, and they can also contain as many terms as possible, like in addition of polynomials. So also also in subtraction of polynomials, uh, always remember to make a separate column for each term that is not similar to other terms, just like in addition of polynomials. So we will show this as we go on with the solution. And also, for convenience, we have to subtract one group of polynomials from another group of polynomials vertically or in vertical arrangement, just like in addition of polynomials. And also, uh, we have to write the exponent of the terms in descending order. So those are the things to remember in subtraction of polynomials. So let's go with the solution. So in the first group, we have here, we will subtract this group of polynomials from this first group of polynomials. So we have here 7m to the fourth minus 2m cubed minus m squared minus 8. But if you will notice here, we have 9m. So we have to write minus 8 in a separate column. Okay? So here, we will notice that we have negative or minus 6m to the fourth. So let us write minus 6m to the fourth here. So under 7m to the fourth. And then we have 5m cubed or plus 5m cubed. So write it under negative 2m cubed. And then minus 4m squared. So write this down under minus m squared. And then 9m. So we have to write 9m here. Not under the column of minus 8 because they are not similar. So here, you can also plus add 0 here. Or you can leave it blank like this one. So also this one, we don't have any constant, so we can leave it blank or we can also write 0 here. So in subtraction of polynomials, we have to write the minus sign, of course, and inside the parentheses to separate it from all the sign of the other polynomials. So in subtraction of polynomials, we have to change all the sign of the terms here in the second group. So change this sign or the respective sign to its opposite. So let's take this one by one. So 7m to the fourth minus negative 6m to the fourth. So this is 7m to the fourth minus parenthesis minus 6m to the fourth. So they have a similar sign. So outside and inside the parentheses, so positive sign will prevail. So we have 7m to the fourth plus 6m to the fourth is equal to 13m to the fourth. So we have 13m to the fourth. And then we have negative 2m cubed plus 5m cubed or minus positive 5m cubed. So we have here negative 2m cubed minus positive 5m cubed. So here, we have negative sign and a positive sign inside the parentheses. So negative sign prevails or will always prevail if we have this similar situation. So if we have opposite sign inside and outside the parentheses, always the negative sign will prevail. So we have here now negative 2 minus 5 m cubed. So they have a similar sign. So add these two numbers, 2 plus 5, which is equal to 7. And then their common sign is negative 7. So, or minus 7 m cubed. So we will write minus 7 m cubed here. And then we have minus m squared minus negative 4m squared. So we have here negative m squared, and then again we have similar sign here outside and inside the parentheses. So positive sign will prevail. So negative m squared plus 4m squared, or just subtract the lower number to the higher number. So we have here 4 minus 1, and then the common term, which is m squared. So 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. So 3m squared. The answer is 3m squared. So we will write 3m squared under this column. And then we don't have any more term in the we don't have any term with m here in the first group. So it will be 0 minus 9m. Or simply, we have minus 9m or negative 9m. So we will write negative 9m here. And the same with minus 8 plus 0 or minus 0. So negative 8 minus 0 is negative 8. So the final answer now is 13m to the fourth minus 7m cubed plus 3m squared minus 9m minus 8. So this is the final answer. So if you will notice, we have to write the final answer in descending order of exponent. So like this one. So that's all for today. Again, I hope that you have learned something in our lesson. So this is Engineer Armando Omanito. Until next time, and may God bless us all.